For Jisoo naman.
Si Miss Madonna ang makakasagot.
Ayan, Miss Mado, paano si Jisoo? Paano napili?
No, kasi we were really looking for a Korean actor. And we needed to shoot soon, no? So, nagtuturo po kasi ako sa Believe ng Film Management. Yung aking co-teacher, si Wanko Galiaga.
Oh yes, of course.
Told me, oh, you're looking for a Korean actor? You know there's a Korean actor who's here. Sabi ko, ha? Sino? Tapos sabi niya, ito. Pinakita niya sa akin. Sabi ko, ay, familiar ko. I wonder who's the manager. Because kailangan. So, I researched and then I spoke to SB Town, si Tatang, Robin, and then si Katlingo of Universal. So, yun. And then we pitched it to Jisoo and he liked it and he had a lot of suggestions actually. Kasi syempre, you know, we needed resource people also for the story and he gave it a really good perspective. So, yung role niya na na-envision namin even grew further when we started talking to him.
Wow!
So, yun. Napaka-importante ng role niya dito sa pelikula.
What's Jesus' reaction when he got the offer to portray Jisung? What was your reaction when you were offered the role?
It was really honored to film here. I mean, actually, in these days, it's hard to do film. You know, it's hard to find the film, and especially this genre, like family drama. You know, when you go to cinema, there's always like comedy, like action, but it's hard to watch it, the family drama. So I thought it's like very unique movie, and also it's like the story of like with Korean guy, and I also watched it about documentary about Kopino. So I was actually it was kind of negative way. So I want to show them it could be a positive way, even it's like we are Filipino. So I want to show that as a Korean, like good way.
Right.
So I'm trying to do my best. Yeah.
Did you have to learn Filipino?
Yeah, I learned just few words.
Okay.
Like in the movie, like Masatopo.
Okay.
And like you know, just few words. Like,
Well, were you lucky that the little kid, the child actress, knows how to speak Korean?
yeah, she is genius. She learned really fast. So
Can we hear you talk in Korean right now?
안녕하세요.
Talk to Jisoo, talk to Jisoo.
Yeah, I mean, you know, she's intonation is really like Korean accent.
Wow. Since both of you started as child stars, and what do you think sets Ryrie apart from other child stars in the industry?
Well, I haven't really worked with a lot of other child stars ngayon. Pero meron po kaming similarities, pero madami rin kaming differences. Kasi nung bata po ako, mas reserved, I would say. I was a bit more reserved. Pero kagaya ni Ryrie, very bibo. Kapag naman pinakanta, pinasayaw, game na game naman, parang gano'n. Gano'n din po si Ryrie. Siya yung parang nagpapahappy talaga sa buong set, kakanta siya, sasayaw
Pero
siya.
mukha siya pahiyain now.
Siguro po syempre, it's a bit overwhelming to be in front of so many people.
Right.
So I'm sure may nerves din kahit pa paano. Pero cool lang yan. Chill ka, diba?
Chill!
Chill! Kilay-kilay lang yung tumataas. Pero what I really like about Ryrie is her professionalism. Because as a kid, of course, napapagod siya. Right away, kids nap. Kids need to nap, diba? Or may yung attention span. But ang maganda po kay Ryrie is napagsasabihan. She learns when you talk to her. And yun nga, yung professionalism po niya, parang naiintindihan niya. She's very matured for her age. kung paano siya makipag-usap sa amin.
How old is Ryrie?
6.
Six.
She's 6. When I was her age, hindi pa po ako sumalang sa showbiz. More on commercials din po ako. So, that's a totally different world. Pero sobrang nakaka-proud si Ryrie. Sabi ko nga, patuloy lang siyang hasain at alagaan. Siyempre, to keep her feet on the ground and matutong gumalang sa mga iba. She will make it really, really far.
Wow! Well, good luck, Ryrie, sa iyong first movie project.